With the built-in memory of the Polar H10, you can record your heart rate data and transfer it to the Polar Bead app after you finish. Start by moistening the electrode area of the strap. Fasten the strap around your chest and adjust the strap to fit snugly. Open the Polar Bead app and sign in with your Polar account or register as a new user. You can also use the application without signing in. If you sign in, your training details will sync to the Polar Flow web service, where you can view them in more detail at any time. Be sure that you paired the H10 with the Polar Bead app on your phone. Go to Training View on the app menu and wait until you see your heart rate reading inside a blue circle. Choose HR with Sensor from the menu in the upper right corner of the Training View. Choose a sport profile and tap Start. You can see the start time of the training session on the Bead app's display. You can leave your phone waiting and just get going. The built-in memory of the Polar H10 heart rate sensor can record and store one training session. The sensor stops recording your heart rate when you remove the connector from its strap after you've finished with your training. When you come back to your phone, attach the connector back to the strap and wear the sensor around your chest again. Your heartbeat will reactivate the sensor connection to the Bead app. You can see only the start time of your training session on the Bead app's display. Wait a while for the Bead app to connect to your sensor again. The app will prompt you to download your finished training session from the sensor memory. After the download, you can view the training summary in the app. Note that the H10 can only store one training session at a time, so you'll need to upload your last session before starting a new one. Whatever you do, with the Polar H10, your heart rate monitoring is more accurate than ever.
Does the world need a new computer mouse? The answer to that question is yes, and now we will tell you why the innovative Penclic mouse is the perfect solution. Since the 1980s, the computer mouse has looked and functioned in basically the same way. These traditional computer mouses require unnatural movements of your muscles, which may lead to static tension and pain. These types of repetitive strain injuries can cause long-term damage. That's why we've developed Penclic mouse. It's faster, better, and more comfortable. With a combination of enhanced precision and advanced ergonomics, the unique design is based on the way your hand functions. Penclic mouse is available in two versions, R2 wireless and D2 corded. Hold and move the Penclic mouse like an ordinary pen. The design allows you to use the fantastic control of your fingertips without straining your shoulders and arms. This creates a healthy and natural working position. While your forearm rests on your work desk, you can easily command the cursor over the entire computer screen. You can choose to work either on the side or in front of your keyboard. The Penclic mouse is an intuitive and easy-to-use computer mouse that fits your hand perfectly. Point, click, smile.
So we're all born with pristine skin, baby bottom skin, but as we go through life, being in the sun, exposed to different chemicals, pollution, things we eat, toxins, our body's ability to repair itself doesn't quite do the job. That often can develop into skin malignancies, given that the skin is one of the most exposed organs. It's the biggest organ in our body.
Each year, more people get skin cancer from the sun than get lung cancer from smoking cigarettes. 1 American dies every hour from melanoma, and it's one of the only cancers in the United States that still has an increasing incidence.
But there's good news. Unlike most cancers, it is possible to detect and treat skin cancer. Up to 95% of skin cancer deaths are preventable by early action. Our mission is to end all preventable skin cancer deaths, and it is possible. That's why we've created OOD.
So the HOOD is a polarized magnifying lens that attaches to any smartphone camera. Once attached, it allows you to take medical-grade images of your moles. Together with our app, you can track your moles for skin cancer warning signs and even share the images with a dermatologist. So now, instead of waiting weeks, having uncertainty and concern about your own health, you get an answer back within hours that gives you not only peace of mind, but you get a prioritized dermatologist appointment. Instead of waiting the 3 weeks where you go through a family doctor and then to a dermatologist, the dermatologist will tell you, hey, come straight into my office and I'll get removed for you right away.
So for the past 15 years, we've worked hard at developing the most capable medical-grade devices for dermatologists. Now with Hood, we have created a device specifically for consumers that has been designed to be friendly, accessible, intuitive. We really want to eradicate skin cancer, and I believe this is our best shot.
With your help, our vision is to add the dermatoscope to the family of medical tools we keep in the home.
With Hood, skin cancer can become a thing of the past, and we can spend less time worrying and more time enjoying the things we love.
Candela is the revolutionary smart candle light that uses the latest Bluetooth mesh technology. It allows up to 30,000 units of candelas to communicate with each other. You can set different groups of your candelas and control them through your smart devices. Candela holds a candlelight-like color temperature, which creates the ultimate romantic feeling. Let us take care of the lighting. You enjoy your romance. The IoT Smart Control helps you care about your significant other, even when you are not next to her. Candela helps to express your emotions. Simply rotate the naturally transparent lamp cover to adjust the brightness. YEELIGHT Candela.